So this is the Focus. It's got that sync thing built into it, which is kind of cool.
USB, please say a command.
Play artist Blink 182.
Playing artist Blink 182.
Holy shit, it works. Of course, it's old stuff, but it's got that ambient lighting stuff. It's got a couple lights down there. The footwell on both driver and passenger side, a couple on the cup holders, and even in the back seat, which I think is a little interesting. And of course it does have a couple different colors. That's kind of red. Off. Interesting. It's not a bad car.